Hey everyone, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pastel de tres leches. Honestly, this is my favorite type of cake. It's so moist, very delicious. If you guys want to see how I make it, keep watching. For this recipe, we're going to be using 5 eggs. And we're going to separate the egg whites from the yolks. Now we're going to add a pinch of salt and start mixing. You'll know when your egg whites are fluffy enough because you can flip the bowl over and they won't fall out. That means it's ready. Next, we add the yolks one by one as we mix. Once all the yolks are mixed in, we're gonna add in a cup of sugar and we continue mixing. Once the sugar is mixed in, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Once that's done, I'm gonna sift in 1 cup of flour and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix it a little bit, and we start adding the flour. And now we fold it in. While I'm doing this, I'm gonna preheat my oven to 350 degrees. This is how it should look, and now I'm gonna grease my baking tray. And now we add the mixture. We bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. While we're waiting on the cake to bake, we're gonna prepare our 3 milk mixture. I'm gonna add 1 cup of whole milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and last, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And we mix. It's actually been 22 minutes and our cake is ready. A good way to know if your cake is ready is by poking a fork in it or a toothpick and it should come out clean. And now I'm gonna poke holes on it. Set it to the side and let it cool off for about 30 minutes. We start preparing the frosting for the cake. To a bowl, I'm gonna add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. We start mixing until it's thickening. Just like this. And then we add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. We continue mixing until it looks like this, nice and fluffy. Once the cake has cooled down, we're gonna start adding the tres leches. You can add all of the milk, or you can just add as much as you'd like. I like when my cake is very moist, so I'm gonna be adding all of the milk. Next, we start adding the frosting. And we spread it around. And then we sprinkle with some cinnamon. Put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. It's been 2 hours and now I'm gonna cut myself a piece. And there you have it, delicious pastel de tres leches. All right guys, this is my favorite part. This is my favorite cake. It's so moist, super delicious. Cheers. It's perfect. It's not too sweet. The icing is perfect as well. I don't like to make the icing so sweet. And with the tres leches, so delicious. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.